Fundamentals of computer memory. Like you, the computer also has a brain where information is stored. This part of the computer is called the memory device. The information stored in the memory can be changed or removed. Memory is bicycle a strong place of the computer. Memory is generally divided into two types. One type, main memory or primary memory, mass memory or secondary memory. Tree structure of in memory. Memory two type, main memory, primary memory, mass memory, secondary memory. Main memory ROM, PROM. ROM memory है तीन प्रकार, PROM, EEPROM, EPROM. RAM memory दी प्रकार, static memory, dynamic RAM. mass memory, secondary memory. Mass memory secondary memory है 6 प्रकार, CD बा DVD, memory stick, magnetic drive, floppy disk, hard disk, pen drive. तापरे main memory or primary memory. This memory is found on the chips. Program and data needed by the computer are present on this. So it is called as main memory of second memory computer. When computer need data from second strong, then data from secondary strong are loaded into primary memory and then used by the computer. Data retrieval is extremely fast in memory. Main memory, it is of the two types. ROM is read only memory. RAM is random access memory. ROM read only memory है. ROM chips are found inside in the memory board and they are fixed on it. These chips are frame program. As the name suggested, the information written on this only can be read by us. ROM is bicycle non-volute, i.e. the contents of the ROM are not lost when not of ROM are not lost when power goes off. Sundell. There are different types of ROM. PROM. This is programmable ROM that can be directly programmed by the multiplication. The type of ROM is used by more specialist users who may like to store their own special section of our program. Once it has been programmed, you cannot change it. EEPROM. This is electrical erasable ROM, and this similarly EEPROM, except that is in the case even a selected protein of the ROM can be erased and rewritten, or the process is done by electrical signal. EPROM. This is an erasable programmable ROM. Program written on EPROM can be erased by exposed in ultraviolet and rewritten. RAM random access memory. The term random access memory means that an word in the memory by be accessed without having to go through all the other words to get into. Second point, these are the user chips. Third, it is also called as a read or written memory, i.e. information can be read as well as write into RAM. Fourth point, the program instructions are stored in RAM fast before its excellent. This memory is divided into number of cells. One cell in one location and can hold onward. Data goes to the main processor of after being loaded into in this memory. RAM is volatile, i.e. its contents are lost as soon as power supply is shutted off. RAM is power dependably. There are two types of RAM: static RAM, dynamic RAM. Static RAM, SRAM. SRAM stores a byte of information. Data is watched. A memory that as long as there is power, the data is present. The SRAM is a volatile strong device. When it is supplied with power, it does not need a register by circuit to return the data. It takes a more transmitter and other device to store a byte in a SRAM. These chips are more complicated and take up more space for a given strong. Capacity than the DRAM. Dynamic RAM, DRAM. DRAM stores information as a charge. The major advantage of this type of RAM is that the electric cell for strong is smaller by giving higher densities. But the difference is that the charge has to be charge tended to leak, and as a result the charge has to be refreshed. For this additional electric circuit is required. आम फास्ट विषय सरी जाइए फास्ट विषय क्वेश्चन आंसर देख क्वेश्चन आंसर है क्वेश्चन आंसर एक्सरसाइज 1A आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन व्हाट इज मेमोरी कंप्यूटर मेमोरी इज अ स्ट्रॉन्ग डिवाइस द प्लेस that the used to store information. Draw the tree structure of memory. Life. See, life is two type. Plant, animal. Plant two type. Flower, fruit. Flower, fruit two type. Rose, love. Here, rose, love is one type. Flies. Animal three type. Bird, fish, man. Write about primary memory. This memory is found on the chips. Program and data needed by the computer are present on this, so it is called as main memory of computer.